I got another video today, and I think we probably blew up the motor. As you can see, like right here, and there's definitely leaking from the rear main seal. We know that, but let's check that again.
Let me see that flashlight.
The oil pressure did start going down, and so that's why because it started smoking out the rear, and we automatically thought transmission, but it wasn't. It was engine. And so let's see, we're about a quart low. This is where there's no oil, there's, as you can tell right there. So we're definitely a quart low of oil.
It's hard to tell on the camera, but all this like up in here is covered in oil.
You can definitely tell from the rear main seal that it's leaking from that as well. So we're gonna dive into it, see what we can find. But yeah, let's go ahead and show y'all what the bottom looks like. All right, guys, this is the bottom side of the vehicle. You can tell it's leaking from possibly the rear main seal. Ow, that's probably fucking hot. Yep. And so we're gonna, like, up there is completely dry and it's leaking right here. So we're gonna dive into that and see what's up. All right, guys, so I think I found what's been fucked up on this engine. So as you can see, there is nothing right there. And you can see this is cylinder number 2. This is cylinder number 4, I believe. I might be wrong, but as you can tell, I mean, this is just toast. So we're gonna have to look into that some more. But yeah, she's toast. That'll be it for now. I'll catch y'all later. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all what's wrong with the truck. Recently, it's starting to fuck up on me. I replaced the injector, spark plugs, all that stuff. Now I think I messed up one of the pistons or something happened because I was going way too fast than what I should have been. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it's running like. So let's get to that. Listen closely, like to the engine, you can hear like a little bit of knock, and it's starting to leak from the rear main seal really bad too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and limp it over to the shop and then see what he says about it. And then if we have to take apart the motor, then we're gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start backing it up and then move it out to where we need it to. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today picking up the truck from the shop, and they told me what happened, so I'm gonna go ahead, get the truck running and take it home, and I'll explain everything to y'all. And yeah, it sucks, I guess. But yeah. All right, guys. So basically, what happened was on cylinder number 4, I blew a hole through the piston, basically, and here's the photos for that. And so I don't know what happened. I guess injectors. I don't know, but I don't know. I thought it was something stupid that messed it up, but all right, guys. With that being said, like and subscribe and let you know what we should do to the truck next. Should we put a 6.2 in it? Should we boost it? Should we put a blower on it? Like, let me know. Comment down below what you think. And peace.